Good morning, children. Today I'm explaining the chapter article of class 6, lesson number 4. There are many different parts of speech we have. You already learned in class 3 to 4, 5. Noun, pronoun, verbs, adjective, adverbs, preposition, conjunction, and interjection. So today we are going to start revise again the article which you already studied in grade 5, 4, and 3 previous classes. Article is a word that comes before the noun. Example, the boy, a bee, and an apple. Articles are of two types, definite and indefinite articles. Definite article means the article, as indefinite article means a or n. A indefinite article is being used with the whenever the word comes, you have to see the consonant sound and the countable number. Whereas n in the article, indefinite article will be used before the vowel sound, okay, and the will use before the specific person or a thing. Let's see systematically in the order. Whenever the word, you have to see the number word should be countable and the consonant sound. Accordingly, you will put the article a or n. If the word having a consonant sound means all the alphabet without the vowels. So all the alphabet without the vowels are called as consonant. So before a word, if the sound is this consonant sound and a singular or countable noun, that time we will use article a. Whereas if the word is having a vowel sound and a countable noun, that time we will use the article n. Vowel means a, e, I, o, u, an apple, an egg, an igloo, an octopus, an umbrella. So indefinite article a and used before a singular countable noun. Okay, do remember singular countable nouns, as well as you have to remember the consonant sound or the vowel sound. Two things you have to remember when you are putting a or n. You have to remember the singular countable noun, as well as you will see the consonant sound and the vowel sound, like a dolphin, a university. Look here, university is U is there, but when you pronounce, the sound is YU. So Y is not a vowel, isn't? So we are using a. Similarly, an elephant, umbrella, and R. Here R is there, but H is silent. So we are using R. So N. So these are the consonant alphabets without the vowels. So again, a article, indefinite article is being used before the singular noun with the consonant sound, whereas an is used before the singular noun with the vowel sound. So now, like a singular, a consonant sound, a girl, G, a clock, C, a lamp, countable plus consonant sound. Look here, university, just now I said you pronounce U-Y. So here we'll write a university. Uniform, Y, uniform, a 1 rupee note. So we write a 1 rupee note. So, but sometimes you have to remember these are countable. When they are uncountable, there we will not use A or N. Now, vowels. Vowels, I hope you already studied in grade from 1 to previous classes, A, E, I, U, U. So whenever you are using a vowel sound, a singular number, countable number, that time we will use N, like an orange, an umbrella, an eye, an R, honor, honor H is silent, an R, H is silent, honest man, H is silent. So we are not getting the sound of H, honor, R, honest. So we will put N before all the vowel sound, an apple, an orange, an eggplant. Now let's see about the definite article the. Our definite article is used when we use particular person on an object. So we are using the when we are pointing a particular person on an object. So now you can see over there definite. First time in a beginning of sentence we will use a, but when we repeat the same word again, introduce the object again, that time we will use article the in the second part. Look here, example, she bought a laptop, she bought a laptop, a laptop. But now since the continuation of sentence, they told her that the laptop, okay, the laptop which she bought. So we are pinpointing the laptop. So the laptop had 3-year guarantee. So the which laptop? The laptop which she bought. I'm pinpointing a particular person laptop object. So the laptop had 3-year guarantee. Along with this, one more example. Go and give this ice cream to a boy in a garden. I am using a word, a boy in the garden. So many, two boys are said, three boys are there in the garden. Give an ice cream to a boy in a garden. Which boy? Go and give the ice cream to a boy, the boy who is wearing a green t-shirt. Now, I'm emphasizing the boy who's wearing the green t-shirt. So there we are using the, okay? So the boy who's wearing green t-shirt. So now I'm using the boy who's wearing the green t-shirt. So the first sentence I use a. In the second line, same paragraph, there we was using is the boy. Many times we will use the before the when we show about represent a class or group of animals, like a fox is a clever animal. We use the before a unique object like the sun, the sky, the moon. We use the before the mountain, deserts, rivers, oceans, like the Ganges, the Sahara, the Pacific, the Atlantic, the Indian. We use the before the books like the Bible, Ramayana, the Quran. We use the before the superlative degree like the tallest, the best, the most beautiful, the worst. All the superlative degree we will use the before the superlative degree. We use the before the musical instrument, the flute, the violin, the guitar, and as well as we'll use the before in denote a whole class. Along with this, do remember we use the before the magazines like the Times of India, the Arab News, the Deccan. We will use the before the some titles also, and we will use the with before the ordinal numeral numbers also, the sixth, the fifth. Now, where do we will not use the article? We will not use the article before the proper noun, before the languages, before the subject, before the abstract noun, as well as before the any material nouns. I hope it's clear to you. I'm going to share the textbook with you also now.